ago, we talked about cryptocurrency here. And now, I'm here and I'm sure my phone now. I'm here, be mommy. I'm saying, crypto, come. Look, mommy password na me miadi. I just said, look me.
Yes,
Can you see me?
Yes, sir.
Is this real?
It's real.
Hey! Atu! Maniye bi mamu. I have not gone anywhere to work. Me, this something inside me, I don't know inside. He sent some young man to come do this thing on my phone for me. Me, I don't do anything with it too. I open my phone. Yesterday say I want to check something. I check no. I see $500. I said, Mommy, what I go do now? I don't do anything. This morning when Solo tell me said the man they come, I go up, he get to $622. Boss, look me.
Yes, sir.
Me, I'm a very strong man. If you play number 4, I can send some guys to come and discipline you properly. Are you saying that this $620 now my money?
It's yours. I mean, it's yours. It's working.
Chief.
Yes, sir.
You know, taste Ghana slap before.
I am not.
$622.09.
Yes.
This is my money.
Yes. I mean, it's be generating. Now you have shares, and every single day. Okay, let's even take a look. Now, I'm sure there should be an increase. If we check, where's your split? Let's go here. Now, this is the split. We are going to see shares. Let's try to claim more profit. There's already additional $25 for you. Click on claim reward. Now, check this box. Click confirm. So there's new money that your shares.
Hey, so I have to confirm every day.
So,
hey, it is confirming.
It's confirming to show you. So
please confirm. Hey, go do this for me. Every month send me $10.
Oh my goodness.
So
it's showing confirmation now. It's just success. Click OK.
Okay.
Now check. There's new money there, $25. You can see the time, 8:20. So your shares have produced $25 already. So let's go and check the balance again.
Hey! Achoo! My point, man.
It's incredible.
From $622 to $647.04.
That's right.
This is mine.
Yeah, I mean, every 2 weeks you can just check it and you see new money. And it's for the next 100 years.
So this is money.
It's money. It's real money. It's not one number. It's shares, digital shares.
Chief.
Yes, sir.
Organize a seminar.
Okay.
Let me tell Ghanaians to come and learn.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Please.
That's what we're here for.
Please. When are you going to do that?
Tomorrow.
You are doing one tomorrow.
We are doing one tomorrow.
God bless you.
And it's going to thank you, sir.
Where are you doing it?
This one is taking place in Takoradi. Then on Friday, we'll be in Cape Coast. Then on Sunday, we're going to be in Accra. Then next week, Wednesday, we'll be in Tamale. Then on Saturday next week, we'll be in Tema. We'll be teaching everybody in this conference how to take advantage of technology. You no longer...
so this is real.
It's real deal. Anybody, anywhere, a lot of people with testimonies, a lot of people who every single week or every single two days, three days, one...
So you tell me, what are the various ways of making money?
Naturally, with cryptocurrency, the traditional way of making money in cryptocurrency is to buy a cryptocurrency and wait for the price to go up, then you sell. Sometimes...
$647.
That's right. Sometimes you buy and the price don't go up and it goes down. Then you have to wait.
I mean, it's like that.
But the point is, there are still very small sects of opportunity in crypto that many people don't know. And that is what we have there now. Buying digital shares.
Okay.
Buying digital shares of the blockchain.
So now I can sell some shares.
Correct. You have
so
shares.
how can someone acquire shares from me?
Now, I won't want you to sell your shares because...
Okay. I'm not giving out my shares.
Yes, you can share the profit. Now, if you sell your shares now, the person that buys it will be earning the profit on it every single day for the rest of their lives.
So I can only share the profit.
The profit. Okay. I mean, it makes...
I am not sharing either of them. Don't mind me. Go ahead.
I mean, it's incredible that from anybody that acquires the shares, every single day the blockchain makes profit. The blockchain earns profits. And this profit is owned by the owner of the blockchain. Like Bitcoin, for example, people who got in contact with Bitcoin in 2009, they are earning, they have the potential of earning till 2140, the year 2140. So, but if you are owning the smart blockchain, for example, every time the blockchain does transactions, all these transactions we did now, there's a fee that went through as you're doing it.
This is my money.
It's yours. I mean, every two weeks you can just go there and claim.
What's your name?
My name is Dr. Favor.
Favor?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I've seen somebody called Favor, but it's written GCU level 7 times. He didn't pass it.
Oh my goodness.
No problem. Even though he's called Favor.
That one is very terrible.
Oh man, sorry, don't mind me.
Sorry.
Favor,
yes, sir.
This is my money.
It's real. Just 1 week from now, just go there again and just check the gold split. The gold split means gold shares. Click on it, check the splitting, click on splitting. You will see what, okay, let's open it. Let me show you something again.
Okay.
I mean, it's incredible because it's very transparent. You can see the total number of shares in the system. The system say, oh, how many people, what's the profit of today?
So now?
Now, for tomorrow, for the next maybe 1 week or so, click on gold splits. Click on splitting. Now, how many shares do you have totally? Total shares
23,319.
Now, for the next 24 hours, they are going to share this money, $124,665. That is the profit of the blockchain for the next 24 hours.
So I have some money here.
You have some money there. So among these 23,000 shares globally, yours is 0.25.
Can you see me from where you are standing?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So the next 24 hours.
You are going
they will share $124,000.
That's right.
And I have my share
inside. That's it. So every day the profit of the blockchain is.
But I am not trading.
No.
I have cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. I haven't done anything. This is just my phone. I use it to receive calls and answer.
You own a portion of the blockchain. And every time the blockchain does transaction, there are fees it collects from people.
So it's because of what I bought.
Because you own that block. Yeah, you bought. That blockchain, that shares that you bought is yours. And each time the transfer goes through globally, you don't need to have any activities going on. You earn a portion of it. And that is why a lot of...
So where is the next...
The next event is taking place in Takoradi.
Okay.
Tomorrow. On Friday is Cape Coast.
Okay.
On Sunday is Accra and MJ Grand Hotel. On Wednesday next week is going to be Tamale in the north.
Okay.
Then we're going to have Tema next week Saturday. But if you want to participate,
any contact numbers?
Okay, quickly send your name, your email address, and your location. Very important. So the number 053 052 7747. Your name, your email, your location. Very important to the number 053 052 7747. You can, and indicate so that we can know which location you are and the address.
Do you require any testimonials?
Oh, well, the testimonials, you've just testified now. This is how it works all over. Everybody, if I'm sharing my own testimony, it will look like maybe I'm just talking. The truth is, anybody that loves...
No, but this one, Charlie.
It's real.
I have to do another one.
Yes, okay.
So I can have double account.
That's right. Maybe...
I need to do another one.
That's right.
Pastor for 7 to China, where is Ska? So hey, so for trading crypto.
Okay, have you confirmed yours?
So for crypto.
Okay. It's incredible. As long as you own this share. So I'm inviting you, wherever you are. You're in Takoradi. We are going to be doing a leadership training in Takoradi. So if you're in Elubo.
No, but this one there.
If you're in Elubo,
please. Something.
You can come around if you're in Elubo from Takoradi. We are going to be doing leadership training. So if you are in Cape Coast, we are going to have that on Friday. On Saturday, MJ Ground, we are having a meeting in Accra in MJ Ground. On Sunday, MJ Ground. Okay. Then on Wednesday next week, if you are in the north, Tamale, we are going to give you the information. Then if you are In Tema, it's going to be next week Saturday. You can't afford to miss it.
And he said, if I want to update, where do I go?